Boink. Coming down. Oh. Okay, well, that was the end of the coming down thing. And she's already 2 steps up the other way. Now this is kind of a first. The battery's gone dead. We'll see how much we can get here. Usually the kittens will come up to the landing, and then, I mean, it's weeks before they go all the way to the top. And here she is, all the way to the top. Yeah. And she's going into the bedroom. She said, stop following me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. She's hissing again. Yeah. See if there's anybody up here. Oh my goodness, she's all the way up here. Go to the upstairs bathroom. And the only other kitty up here is Kalahari. His favorite repose. Okay, we're gonna have to go charge this battery. Let's see if she's gonna go down first. Yeah, Mom's hurting. It's hurting the kitten. Okay, there she goes. Oh, you guys are a cute little pair, aren't you? Yes, you are. Here she goes. Boink. Mom's encouraging. It's okay. Yeah. Well, it's official. Jujubee has discovered the stairs. Yes, she has. Discovered the stairs. Well, this is exciting. Oh, what was that? Oh, the bird flying into the window up there. Okay.